Hey, this is Jack at TC3. Today we're going to replace a cabin air filter in a Pontiac G8. And under your hood, on your left side, we're going to remove these push clips that hold the plastic in place. And yeah, this vehicle's about 10 years old. I've never replaced this cabin air filter. I'm curious to see what it'll look like. Sometimes the air won't blow as hard out your blower fan, or you're not quite making the air conditioning coldness you think you should have. Sometimes this contributes to that. So, okay, we'll pry up them clips. I have this little, this is actually a roofing tool that I use all the time to get the pull clips out. Just kind of slides under, pries them up. It's not what was intended for, but it works awesome for that. I'm going to pull off this weather stripping slash hood seal, and I'm going to pull up that cover. Now you can remove that cover and get it totally out of your way, but you really don't need to. You can just pull it up pretty far, and you see how filthy that was. I'm just going to pull a vacuum in here real quick and clean this out some. I don't need all that falling into where the air would blow, all the air passages, so I'd rather get that out before. So here's the old cabin air filter, looking pretty dirty. Okay, I'm gonna pull that out, and you might want to just take a rag and rub the inside of that, and yeah, she's looking pretty bad. Okay, so to give you an idea, here's the new one and the old one. There is a difference. The cleaning material on the old one was white once. So I just go in there in case it was so disgusting that I thought, just in case something else fell in there, I'm going to do it. Okay, your new cabin air filter. Get your flow direction going right. So you're going to point them arrows towards the cab of the car. Try to seat that in there. There's like little plastic guides on the side. Just make sure that's totally in so the air doesn't bypass the filter. Yeah, there we go. See, that's on both sides, and she is. Another quick check, and okay, well, it's just about that simple. Now you're just going to push that plastic cover back down and put all your clips back in. Over here, this just has push clips that pull out. Not the push pins, but push clips. So we put all these button clips back in, put them in, push the buttons down, and it kind of locks it. Okay, so there's 6 of them going across here. After you're done with that, you're going to just put your molding back on, your rubber molding around this. Make sure that's on there good. It's also, you know, molding slash weather seal. Alright, there we go. A couple of more clips on the far side. Pretty solid. Check to see that the rubber seal that's attached to the plastic cover is flush to the windshield. Success. Thank you for watching.